In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Grammarly extension on Chrome. This tool is a popular choice for improving writing and catching those pesky grammatical errors, and I'm here to guide you through this setup process, ensuring you're equipped to elevate your writing game. Now let's dive right into it. First things first, head over to the Grammarly website. It's essential that you log into your Grammarly account to begin the setup. You can either sign up if you're new or log in using your existing credentials. Once you're at the login page, type in your email address and follow that by clicking continue. This brings you to the page where you can either enter your password or log in through Google if that's easier for you. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Grammarly document page. Here, direct your attention to the navigation menu and click on Apps. This is where you'll begin the process of integrating Grammarly with your browser. Within the Apps section, you'll see an option for Grammarly for Chrome. Clicking on it will take you to a dedicated page for the Chrome extension. Now here's where the magic happens. Locate the install button on the Grammarly for Chrome page and give it a click. This action takes you to the Chrome Web Store, a place you're probably familiar with, and it's where you'll be installing the extension. From here, click on Add to Chrome. After you do that, Chrome will prompt you with a message asking if you want to add the extension. Go ahead and approve it by clicking Add Extension. With the installation complete, it's a good idea to pin the Grammarly extension to your Chrome toolbar for easy access. To do this, navigate to the extension icon located on the top right of your browser, click it, and pin Grammarly from the drop-down list. That way, it'll always be at your fingertips whenever you're typing away online. Now that Grammarly is ready to go, open any document online, whether it's an email draft, a blog post, or any form of text field. Click on the Grammarly extension icon in your toolbar and watch as suggestions begin to appear. Grammarly highlights areas where improvements can be made, offering suggestions for corrections that can polish your writing in real time. Additionally, Grammarly doesn't just catch errors, it also provides creative ideas for your content. While you continue typing, look out for Grammarly's suggestions to see if any resonate with you. By the end of this setup, you'll find your writing is sharper and more coherent thanks to this versatile tool. And there you have it, a simple way to harness the power of Grammarly on Chrome. Enjoy writing with newfound confidence.